Today we will be learning how to make a pellet using a 25-ton auto press and a stainless steel die set. To begin, we place the base onto the benchtop and assemble the cylinder body onto the base. Once complete, carefully place one of the pucks into the bore of the cylinder, taking care not to jam it inside. From there, insert the aluminum cup and place the filling cylinder inside the bore. Insert the sample and compact the sample down using the filling rod. Remove the pellet filling tools as seen and insert the second puck into the bore, taking care not to jam it. From there, carefully insert the plunger into the cylinder body. Ensure the proper program is loaded, and load the die set. Ensure it is secure and the guard is closed. Notice the unit senses the guard being opened. Two buttons are located on the right. Press the topmost button to begin the program loaded, while the bottom will stop the unit should it be needed. Pressing the top button, the unit will begin the loaded program. It will state that the load is rising, and if a time component is programmed, once the timer has reached 0, the unit will then release the pressure from the die set at the programmed rate. From there, remove the die set and remove the plunger from the cylinder. This will then make removal of the base easier. Reinsert the plunger and apply a light load across to remove the pellet. The compacted pellet can now be mounted in the XRF for analysis.